Hey guys, today we want to talk to you about a really cool feature that we added to all of our iPhone 13 cases, and that is a built-in digital business card. We partnered with Popple, one of the leaders in this technology, to integrate an NFC chip at the bottom of all of these iPhone 13 cases.
And this NFC chip allows you to store a ton of information from social media to contact info, and that way you can just share it with someone else just by simply tapping the back of your case with theirs.
And today we're going to show you how to set it up and also how to use this new technology. So let's get started.
There are two ways to begin the process of activating your digital business card. One is to scan the QR code that comes in the packaging, or you can simply tap the bottom of your case, the top of your phone, and it'll take you to this web page. This is the same web page that you would get to if you're scanning the QR code. This has all the details of how to set up your digital business card in a step-by-step process. Begin by downloading the app. Once the app is downloaded, go ahead and open it. And here's where you're going to create an account. Begin by putting in your email and a password. You can add a name, and you're going to click Nomad case as the device that you want to activate. To begin the activation, you're going to tap this button here and take the bottom of the case to the top of the phone. The app will now take you through how to share it with other phones, as well as other features that Popple offers. One of the cool features is that the other person that you're sharing your information with does not need to have the Popple app. As long as you have it set up in your phone, you're good to go. Here's where you can set up your profile by adding images, as well as locations, names, and any other information that you want to add to your bio. And then at the link store is where you're going to add the different links. As you can see, there's many different things that you can share. Almost anything that you want to share, you can share here, such as different social media accounts, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or contact cards, any text messages, text phones, websites, payment information, even music, and more. We are going to add an Instagram account, so simply click Add here, type in the username, and when you're done, hit Done, and your Popple profile on the app is now activated. So now that you have activated your digital business card, we're going to show you how to use it.
Danny, can you send me your Instagram?
Sure, just tap the bottom of my case with the top of your phone, and boom, your information gets shared.
When sharing your information with other people, make sure that your digital business card at the bottom of the case pairs up with the NFC antenna on the other person's phone. On all iPhones, that NFC antenna is at the top of the phone, and then on Androids, it varies depending on what phone you have.
We hope that this video helped you. If it did, drop a like down below and subscribe for all things Nomad. Thanks, guys.